We're at the stand next to EverCore, and more importantly, next to Dave Van Pelt. He's the country manager for Benelux, Belgium, Luxembourg, Netherlands, and he has a really unique scenario because he's been training installers on the EverCore. So I'm gonna take some questions to you, Dave.
Yeah, fine.
Give me some feedback about your training.
Yeah. The feedback I get from the training is that the commissioning is so easy, and that's really positive. You can see that the inverter is on the side of the EverCore, and that makes already 80% of the commissioning easier for the customer, because they know the inverter. They know it has 10 app trackers, the generator port, the backup port, the AC coupling port. So that part they already know.
Because it's same throughout the series, right?
Yeah, exactly. If you have like a 5 kilowatt or a 125 kilowatt, the display, the menu structure, the names, everything is the same. Of course, the connectors are different because the power is higher.
Right.
But that's really the only difference. Yeah.
And do you take them through the full commissioning process when you're doing this?
Yeah, it's quite funny. The coffee is longer than the commissioning part. But yeah, it's like 10-15 minutes I take them. We have the EverCore in our office in Uitgeest, close to Amsterdam.
Nice.
And then it's basically 6 switches, because we pre-wired everything already in the factory, calibrate everything. So they,
and then back to coffee again.
Back to coffee again. Yeah.
So for those installers that are doing those maybe small residentials that are kind of scared to get into the commercial sector, is it doable?
For the technical part, it's roughly the same. It's only bigger.
Right.
But of course, for the pre-sales phase, that's totally different. Because you're filling a need for a customer. Maybe the customer needs to have like peak shaving because he don't have a big enough main fuse. Maybe he needs to have a large backup function. But that phase is different. But for the installer itself, it's easy.
Perfect. Okay, next we have a little something special for you. It's Henrik, and I love Henrik. Henrik, tell me a little bit about your job and what you do.
I'm at the technical pre-sales team, so my job is to tell people how to use our products.
Okay, so what's your role, where is it?
I'm in the Nordics, so up north in Europe. I've been there for, close to 2 years now.
Nice. So you're a little special because you've done the first commissioning in Europe. We sold over 800, but you got your hands on the first one. Where was it and how did it go?
It was in Denmark, Aarhus, at KM Solar, trusted partner for 12 years. So I helped them doing the commissioning. So when I came to site, the cabinet was already in place, and they were super happy with how easy it was to install.
Nice. And did it take a week or 2 weeks?
Week. You wish. It took like 2 hours.
Okay, that's surprising.
Yeah, it was.
So, I guess I want to go back before that. How did they contact you?
So we have a ticket system where you submit your request for us to come on site.
Right.
So then the service team contact me and say, okay, we have a site in Denmark.
And is that service free?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
The first one is free.
The first one is free, right. And do you have any surprises on your first site?
Except for updating the EMU and BMS? No.
So a quick firmware update on the EMU?
5 minutes.
That was it. Oh, nice. So as you can see here, it was really quick and easy, and thank you for coming by, Henrik.
No worries.